SB 2535, as written, would give PGV a retroactive pass on their blatant violation of the county law banning nighttime drilling within 1 mile of county residence because it's dated back before the law was passed. There's, in PGV's unsuccessful March 3rd, 2015 motion to dismiss the PPA versus PGA lawsuit against the night drilling, they argued that in the absence of any language specifically covering night drilling in PGV's permit or in the framework of state laws regulating geothermal drilling and operation does not equate authorization of the county council to prevent such activity. SB 2535 adopts PGV's argument to unduly extend existing preemption law by adding a new phrase. The absence of state law shall be interpreted to mean that the power to regulate geothermal resource development and geothermal resources exploration has been reserved to the state. DLNR is also a plaintiff in this in the pending lawsuit in circuit court. SB 2535 then preempts county geothermal law by declaring geothermal generally is a topic for state control. The regulation of geothermal resources development and geothermal resources exploration shall be reserved to the state unless delegated to the counties by statute. However, PGV obtained its existing geothermal resource permit under state laws that delegated geothermal permitting to the counties, HRS 205-5.1 and 205-5.2, but those laws were repealed by Act 97 in 2012. Regarding the county's night drilling ban, SB 2535 is intended to preempt DOH noise rules. HAR 11-46-13 says a county may adopt and provide for the enforcement of ordinances regulating any matter relating to excessive noise. In any case of conflict between a state statute or rule and the county noise ordinance, the law which affords the most protection to the public shall apply. That regulation recognizes why county geothermal authorities should not be preempted for the better protection of the public. OHA said it has concerns that the bill does not address the need for procedural safeguards that provide clear and transparent processes, including input and participation opportunities for decisions relating to geothermal resource development and exploration. In addition, this matter appears to nullify the procedures already in place on a local level in both Hawaii and Maui counties without providing alternative procedures and recommendations reinstating the permitting process. The nighttime drilling ban, fracking ban, the nighttime drilling ban in particular, was passed with great effort by the county because PGV drilled 24 hours a day for months and people could not sleep. There's a lot of people that live around that power plant, and the community was so upset that they went with hundreds of people to the county council, and that's where that law was passed. I don't think it's right for you now to just throw that away. So SB 25 is a preemption bill that deprives the counties of authority in geothermal matters. It's a legislative act that interferes with ongoing litigation in the Hilo Circuit Courts of Punapono Alliance versus PGV to enforce the county nighttime drilling ban. As such, it's special legislation intended to benefit a special interest, PGV. In Governor Ige's January 25th, 2016 address to the legislature, he said, a few years ago, we saw the demise of the super ferry. Its failure has been attributed to environmental objections and a hostile court, but that is not exactly what happened. The fact is the state failed to follow the law when we tried a legal end run. It also failed. The point is the state should have followed the law and done the right thing in the first place. SB 2535 is like a special legislation that attempted to save the super ferry, the legal end run referred to by Governor Ige. The question of enforcing the county night drilling ban should be decided by Judge Nakamura in the Hilo Circuit Court, where the case has been pending for more than a year. Language in 2535 is almost identical to PGV's motion filed on March 3rd, 2015 to dismiss the lawsuit to enforce the night drilling ban. Judge Nakamura denied PGV's motion. SB 2535 wants to give PGV and DLNR a special legislative benefit. Appropriate discussion of these issues should continue to take place in the court, not in the legislature.